5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now that battery technology has become cheaper and electric motors more powerful, electric vehicles are making it onto the streets. You will soon have electric trucks hauling your trash and delivering items to your door. Next is our Prime 5 medium and heavy-duty electric trucks.
5.
The Volvo VNR electric truck has a range of 275 miles. 2 VNR electric trucks have been in service with Pitt, Ohio's fleet since May of 2022. The Pitt, Ohio trucks are also equipped with 300-watt solar systems on the roof to help with liftgate charging.
4.
Lion Electric Lion 6. Lion's all-electric Class 6 urban commercial truck gives operators the opportunity to reduce energy costs by 80% and maintenance costs by 60% compared to similar diesel vehicles. Lion's trucks combine power, comfort, and technology to meet the expectations of the industry, with a range of up to 200 miles.
3.
Ford E-Transit. The Ford E-Transit delivery van is assembled in the U.S. It features a single-speed transmission with a rear-wheel drive electric motor powered by a 68-kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack. The E-Transit is available in 3 roof heights and lengths. Ford has received over 10,000 E-Transit orders from more than 300 commercial and government customers. Mack LR Electric. The Mack LR Electric refuge truck is made in Pennsylvania. The Macks are currently being used by the city of Ocala, Florida, Boulder, Colorado, and Santa Cruz, California, for residential and commercial race collection with a range of 100 miles.
1.
Rivian Electric Delivery Vehicles. Rivian has designed and built Amazon's electric delivery vehicles, or EDV. These vehicles are part of the company's pledge to reach net zero carbon usage by 2040. The company is creating a more sustainable delivery fleet. The EDVs have been rolled out in Baltimore, Chicago, Dallas, Kansas City, Nashville, Phoenix, and several other cities. Amazon expects to have 100,000 EDVs by 2030. The Rivian EDVs are powered by electric batteries, and the range has not been published.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.